Hello everyone, welcome to Daiso Design Tutorials. Today we will learn how to create faceless educational YouTube video in Canva using AI tools like ChatGPT and VoiceMaker. So I'll go to Canva and type YouTube video and I'll have the searches like this. Uh, Choose anyone that you want to be your cover page. So I like this one. I'll select this and I'll change the text. And the chat GPT, I'll write the message uh, so it could make a script on my video. So I'll write me a script for kids educational video for YouTube on, let's say, pet animals, because children like to watch these kind of videos and suggest me scenes for it too. So the chat GPT will show you very nice script, and it will also show the narration and the scenes also. So the title would be Meet Our Pet Friends. There will be scenes in which we have the introduction. Second scene would be of the dog and the cat, and you have the narration also, visuals also. So like this you can have 6-7 scenes. Now go to Canva again and change this to welcome to my channel. Okay, now the second slide, click on add page and go to elements, change this background color to white, and for the scene you can go to ChatGPT and scroll up to scene 1, introduction. The background will be colorful living room with animal toys around. The host, a cheerful, friendly adult, or older kid stands in front of the camera. So you can do like this, make a title first of all, or you can use a background, living room with pet animals. Go to graphics. I think my internet is not working properly, that is why it is making so much of time. So I have this. So I have a pro plan, so I have these images. You can choose the free images also. So I'll just increase the size. And I'll write the title, Meet Our Pet Friends. Choose any font, Maricate, I'll choose a Maricate, and I'll increase the size to 50 and just copy paste and increase the size little bit. So Meet Our Pet Friends. And here I can also use some of more elements. can choose a background like this. Go to send to back. I can have a simple image like this. Go to send to back. So like this you can have the images. Okay, so this will be our cover page, and you can animate this. Go to animate and click on rise and click on flicker or pulse, and also select bounce if you want. So this is nice, and you can also animate these. Pulse, pulse. Okay, so that will be a first page. And for the voice maker, just copy this host one, copy this and paste it in voice maker. This is free version, and I've selected female voice. You can select anyone you want and convert to speech, and it will convert in few seconds.
Hi there, kids. Welcome to our fun show where we learn about animals. Do you have a pet at home? Today, we are going to meet some of the most amazing pet animals and learn cool facts about them. Ready? Let's go.
So this is nice, and I'll just download it. It will be downloaded to your system, and go to Canva again and go to uploads, go to upload files, and just select the latest. I think it is, yeah, this is okay, and just select this file, and you can increase it according to your voice, the length of the slide. Okay, now play it once.
Hi there, kids. Welcome to our fun show where we learn about animals. Do you have a pet at home? Today, we are going to meet some of the most amazing pet animals and learn cool facts about them. Ready? Let's go.
So that's it. So like this you can make a very nice slide. Okay, okay, so that's it. Now for the second page you can again go to ChatGPT and see. The second page will be about the dog. The background will be a park with a playful dog running around wagging its tail. So go to elements again and type garden. You can choose any garden if you want. I'll choose this one. I'll increase the size to my layout. Okay, move it. Okay, and I'll have a animated dog, so I don't have to do much. Choose the graphic ones, then you can have these kind of dogs. Okay, and you can also have people playing with dog. Okay, and you can animate this. Now I'll just write dog here. I'll choose a rectangle and change its color to yellow and type Lilitha font, and it change its size and change the text dog and caps lock. Okay, I put this in the rectangle like this. Now I'll just animate this also. Okay, and I will again go to ChatGPT, and the host will be dogs also love to be with the animal people and can be great friends. Woof woof. And you can also use this meet Max the dog. I'll copy this and go to voice maker and again type it here and convert to speech. It will take few seconds.
Meet Max, the dog. Dogs are one of the most popular pets. They love playing, running, and even learning tricks. Did you know dogs have an amazing sense of smell? They can smell things that
So
are
I'll
miles
just
away.
upload this and again open this file and select this and increase the size of the slide according to the voice. So like this you can have the next slide, and again, and in this slide what I want the real footage of the dog playing with the kids. So I'll go to videos and people playing with dog. So this is nice. I'll use this footage. So it will engage your audience even more if you have the real footage. Okay. And I'll choose a background also. Background music. Click on audio and you have the, you can make slides and take the help of the chat GPT and voice maker. Like this you can make many scenes and dog, cat. So I like this one. I'll choose this from background music. Okay. And when your file is completed, just go to share and download this button, and a file will be downloaded and just upload to your YouTube channel. And like this, you can make many scenes: the dog, the cat, fish, bird, hamster, and you have the end screen also. And you can use this narration in your voice maker and convert this to speech. So that's it for today's tutorial. Bye bye till then.